Heartily welcome to that coding, bro. Now we are learning Python programming. So in our process, we have completed introduction to programming. If any people haven't watched the video, first complete that video and come to the next video. This is the story of variable. What is variable, and I will tell how to declare a variable and everything. I will conclude in this video. Watch carefully. If you don't understand, please rewind the video and watch carefully and maintain the notes properly. Okay. Now let's start variable. Okay. First, we are learning Python programming language. In Python programming language, what we will do as part from the first video, I am giving a small conclusion that programming language is used to communicate with a computer. To communicate with a computer. Okay. Similarly, like a human, think there is a computer. You want to communicate with that computer. You need a language. That language is known as one of the language. Those languages are known as programming languages. There are different programming languages. In those language, one language is Python. Now coming to variable, what is meant by variable and what is the need of variable? Before going to the definition and everything, I want to tell you a small story to understand for better purposes of variable. I want to tell small story. Now, see, you are the person, you are in a class, think you are in a class in front of me, you are studying something. Suddenly I came from outside and I told, for example, 863423. 863423. I told, please remember this number. And I went outside. After 10 minutes, again I came back to you and I asked you, what is the number which I had told before? I will rub this on the board. You need to tell. How you will tell? How you will tell? Think once. 863423. How you will tell? If you want to tell after 10 minutes, how you will tell? First of all, you need to remember this. You need to store this. You need to store it in your brain. But we are humans. We don't need to do that much. Our brain automatically does all those things. If you want to tell, see, I am telling my brain, please store 863423. It will store somewhere in my brain. And whenever I want, hey brain, just before I told you one number, what is that number? It will tell 863423. Like that, our storage purpose will work. But if you ask that after 20 days, will it remember? No, it will not remember. But it will remember up to certain time. This storage concept, what is the storage? You are storing something in your brain and you are retrieving whenever we want this. This is known as remembering concept. Similarly, for example, see, if you gave one, if you want to log in Amazon account, what you will give? First you will give login ID. After that, what it will give? Password, right? Password, login ID. How the computer tells you are the person means, last time I signed up in Amazon account with some user ID known as XYZ with password 123456. After 10 days, I again came to the computer. Here in login, I typed XYZ and in password I told 123456. How the computer remembers my name and password? Because it is storing. How to store in computer? Storing purposes is done using variables. This is the need of variable. If you want to store something in memory, for human beings there is brain. For computers there is no brain. To store something there is memory. To store in memory, what we will use? Variables. Okay, this is the concept of variable. What is the use of variable? Variable is used to store the data in computer. Okay, now let's 1 minute. Now let's go in detail. Variables are very crazy and they are for human happiness. Why? I will tell you. See, in computer there is memory. Memory will be like this, rows, boxes like this. It will be rows. For better understanding, I am telling this example. Like this, data will be in boxes. If I want to store RAM, RAM, the RAM will be stored in this way, RAM. For this memory, in your colony there will be 10 houses. How you will tell this is the first house, this is the second house, this is the third house, this is fourth house, based on the address? For example, some colony flat number is 301, some colony flat number 302, some colony flat number 303, some colony 304. Similarly, for memory also there are some address like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, this is the way. If I want to know, for example, if I want to store 10, the 10 will be stored like this, and this address will be some 100, 101 like that, and some data will be present. Think, what is the data present in address 10? Address 10 is here. What is the data present in address 10? Address 100, sorry, this is address. What is the value or data present in address 100? 10, right? In this way the computer gets data. But is it easy to remember 100? Is it easy? For this case it is easy because 100 is very rememberable number, but some cases the address will be 1, 2, 7, 6, 8, 9 like that, big numbers. It is not possible, right? So that we will give names to this address. For example, I want to store 10. What is 10? Think, here it is the roll number of Ram. So I will give name as, sorry, not name, roll number as tag. For this, address 1, starting address 1 contains Ram. So I will give one tag known as name. Now, have you remember in dictionaries at the top of the page there will be A, B, C, D. Like that, if I want to go for search for a meaning known as what, for example, think one meaning fruit. What is meant by fruit? Now, I should not roam for first page. From first page, I can go directly to F page. In F, I will search like that. This name tag is used for identification purpose. Human cannot remember all these addresses, so that even for us also there will be one date of birth and a birth date, everything. Will you call based on your birth date and birth day? No, you kept one name, right? Similarly, for easier understanding, here also we kept one name for this address. We can't remember one, so I kept one name. That name is name. In case of here, I kept one name. That name is roll number. Now, what is the value of name? It is the value present at 1. What is the value present at 1? Ram. Like that. What is the value at roll number? Means the value at address 100. What is the address value at 100? Value 10. This is all intermediate things that will carry on your computer. We don't care of everything. In Python, we will directly deal with this name and value. No need of all the intermediate things. All this memory, everything was hidden to the programmer. Programmer should not take care of all these necessary things. He need to keep name and data. Okay. Now, see, I will derive the definition from those things. Listen carefully. What are we doing there? There is some storage. In those storage, we are naming. Means we are providing the name for this memory location. We are providing the name for this memory location. The definition of the variable is a named location in memory. A named location in memory is known as variable. How simple it is. A named location in memory. That's it. In Python, how to declare a variable. First of all, we need to give one variable name. Variable name is equals to value. For example, as I told before, I am declaring roll number. See, this is known as syntax. See, variable name is equals to value, roll number is equals to 10. Is it right? Is it as per syntax? Yes, right, because variable name is equals to 10 means in memory, see, this is memory, somewhere it will give the tag as a roll number and it will store 10, isn't it? Roll number is equals to 10 means in memory it will store 10. This is happening in computer. We don't need not to worry about what is the address, everything. We need to worry about what are the value you are storing. 10 means we are telling the computer, hey computer, please store 10. And what is the meaning of 10? The 10 is known as roll number. Similarly, I want to store marks. What are the marks? 50 is the marks, and I need to store the name. For name, computer gets confused, so that we will place in double quotes. Within double quotes, if the something is enclosed within double quotes, it is known as a string. Now what is meant by name? Name is Ram. After that, what is his age? 20. So age is equals to 20. What is his college? Some college is, and with what is college? College is alphabets, right? For every alphabets you need to place in double quotes. The scientist has decided like that, so that XYZ college. And whatever the in Python, it is very easy. What is the thing? First, variable name is equals to data. Okay, if string means, what is the string? A sequence of alphabets. If one alphabet, two alphabet, three alphabets, if there is alphabet, then just simply place in double quotes. If no alphabets, write directly. Okay, simple, right? If there is a alphabet, write within double quotes. If no alphabet, simply write like this. This is the difference. Why? What is the need of double quotes? I will explain later in the upcoming videos. Please follow the series. This is the need of variable, how we will declare a variable. I told a definition of variable, how to declare a variable, what is the need of variable. By this, computer got to know that the name of the person is Ram, age of the person is 20, and he is studying in XYZ college. This is the purpose of variables. Variables are reasons of storing the data in computer. If you want to store something in computer, then you need to use variables. If you come after 10 years and you ask what is the name, the computer will tell the name is Ram. That is the power of computer. If you tell something, it will remember perfectly. This is the use of variables. I hope I cleared the concept of variables. In upcoming videos, I will explain basic programming and how to write input output, take input output. After that, I will follow the series playlist. Okay, it is a second video. Please follow the series. I will upload regularly. In case of any doubts, ping me in comments. My next video is how to execute your first program in Python. Okay, I hope all you guys are enjoying the session. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment. Your comments will motivate me to produce more content and changes to do in my content. Okay, thank you for watching.